It's the time for the package from China. Let's go! We are going to talk about the SN30 Pro Plus Bluetooth gamepad or controller. This thing is multi-platform, it works on Bluetooth, it's wireless. And a bit though, for the people not familiar with the brand, they make a lot of different controllers and most of the time they are pretty damn amazing. That's the question, how is this thing playing? And that's what we're going to find out. So this device has support for Switch, Windows, Android, macOS, Steam and the Raspberry Pi. This is the classic edition, but it's the Pro version and it looks a little bit more comfortable compared with the previous model. Alright, so let's do this unboxing together. I really like this sleeve design. What I really love about the product are the presentation and the quality of the box. Of course about the controller, but if you are into collecting these boxes, you're going to like it. Here we have some information. Hi, Game Outlet Europe, who you need to contact if you have any questions. Here we have this little card that says Ultimate Software gives you complete control over your controller. Alright, and here we have the controller itself. I must say I love the packaging itself, but alright, let's remove the plastic and let's get on with the controller. Okay, so the form factor is quite nice. As you can see, the shape is more like a PlayStation 4 controller combined with a Super NES controller. Alright, so what are we going to get inside the box? We're having here the cable for recharging and it is in Type C. That is something you don't see very often. Maybe in the future, but not today. Most of the products are using micro USB. We're having here a little manual. I'm guessing this is very good. Here it shows the way how you need to connect them. Very interesting, and you need to save it because if you need to use it on different platform, you need to use the right combination. Alright, I'm going to need a manual, but let's talk about the controller. I really love the design itself. It's more like a combination of a PlayStation 4 controller. If you look at the triggers, everything, and a Super NES. I like it. The D-pad feels quite nice. It feels like a real quality product. Let's remove the little plastic over here. The same goes for the button A, B, X and Y. Here we have the little start button. We have an extra button as well that we're going to need to use in the other devices that we're going to tie it on. Nevertheless, I really love this Fusion. I love this Pro controller. Okay, let's open it up. As we can see, we're having here a special rechargeable battery of a Bito. I'm guessing you can buy them separately if you want a replacement. So, first of all, the first impression, it's very nice. Looks very nice, feels very good. So, today we're going to try it on the Nintendo Switch. So, for example, you're having a Pro controller, or you want to have a Pro controller, or you want to have an extra controller. Nevertheless, maybe this little bad boy, this 8-bit controller SN30 Pro Plus can maybe a good solution for the Nintendo Switch. For once in my life, I'm going to use the manual. So what you need to do for pairing the controller to your Nintendo Switch. If you read the manual, it's quite easy. While pressing Y and start, in combination, you will start up the system that is specially made for connecting it to the Nintendo Switch. When you're done it, then you're going to press the pair button a couple of seconds on the controller so it goes in pair mode and the LED goes from left to right very fast. You go to the settings of the controllers, then you're going to pair and that's it. And you're ready. And if everything works like a charm, it needs to connect. If you have any problems, you can always use the reset or remove the battery, but everything needs to work like a charm. And as you can see, it's going to get recognized by my system. So that's pretty nice. You don't need this option, but it's fun to check the rumble function. Ooh. Okay, the vibration function is pretty damn heavy. Alright, so let's play a little bit of Smash. And the vibration function is totally different compared with the original Pro controller, I can already tell you. Alright, so let's play a little bit. So the first thing noticing that the D-pad is very nice also, and the analog stick. Of course, it's not a game you're going to use the D-pad for, but well, maybe it's also a fun thing to show that all the features are here with this controller too. So for example, if you want to make a snapshot or you want to go back to the menu, it works like a charm. So in general, I'm pretty impressed with this 8-bit controller. I know for a fact that these controllers are high quality and not to be confused with the cheap clones you can find, for example, in China or in general AliExpress, let's say. It's a very nice controller, and I can even say safely that it can be a replacement if you don't want to buy a Nintendo Pro controller. The SN30 Pro Plus, it's not a cheap controller, but at the end you're going to get a very high quality controller. I love the design, it plays very comfortable, and I'm happy with it. So if you're interested, I will leave a link in the description. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, become one of the Wicked family, because that means I will see you in the next video.